What's going on, everybody? I'm here with another unboxing. This time around, a box of Davidoff exclusive Las Vegas. So these are from 2016, and I was able to get these from Small Batch Cigar. So let's get these open and see what they look like. If you haven't checked out, I do already have another YouTube video of unboxing a Davidoff exclusive Las Vegas blend of the 20th anniversary, which was for 2019. They have not released another Las Vegas blend given what happened in 2020. So we'll see if they release another Las Vegas blend for 2021. But given that everything's starting to come back, I would imagine that they probably won't have one this year. And we might have to wait until 2022. But let's get this open and see what these 2016s look like. So, typical Davidoff, just packaging is always top notch, cardboard box. All right, we finally got these open. The box was just incredibly stuck. I don't know if it was the age or if a sticker. Nevertheless, we're back. So here we go. Davidoff exclusive Las Vegas 2016. 10 Belicoso cigars. 114 of 400. All right. Davidoff exclusive Las Vegas. So, in terms of the cigar, it is a Dominican Puro. Actually, no, it's, I'm sorry. It is a Ecuadorian Connecticut wrapper, Dominican Piloto binder, and then the filler is a Dominican Republic. And size, we're looking at 6 inches by a ring gauge of 52. So, excuse me, it's not a Dominican Puro. It did come with a 69% Bovita, but this is rock hard, so I'll have to replace that. Let's see. Unfortunately, there's not much more information on the cigar itself. Tasting notes, body, flavor, strength, that kind of information. However, I did want to just show you guys because I have been chasing down the different years of Las Vegas blends from Davidoff. So I do have the 2019s, 2016s, and then I have singles of 2017 and 2018. But if I ever come across a box, I'd be sure to unbox that for you guys. So here you go, Davidoff exclusive Las Vegas Belicosos 2016, box 114 of 400. All right. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one.